Welcome to GRE Vocab Wednesday. I am Chris with Magoosh. And today's theme is QUI, Qui, something like that. Our first word is Quixotic. What a fun word to say. If you can bust this out in Scrabble, you'll get like 300 points. What's it actually mean? Well, it's an eponym, meaning it's taken from somebody's name. That somebody being a fictional character, Don Quixote. And Don Quixote was a very interesting character because he was severely deluded, totally out of touch with reality. He felt he was on this grand mission to save the world, make it a better place. But he was this very old man on a very old horse with really rusty armor who probably couldn't even hurt a fly. So today the word has a slightly different connotation, but pretty much the same. It's the idea that you are wildly and completely impractical. So if you have a plan and your plan is, I'm going to memorize these GRE words. I'm going to start with 50 of them. That sounds pretty good. You memorize 50 of them. And then you stop and say, well, this is going too slowly. I have a plan. I don't need this Vocabulary Wednesdays, these GRE word lists. I am going to read the dictionary from start to finish, from A to Z. Oxford, come on, bring it, because I'm going to read you all. Wait a second. Oxford English Dictionary is 10,000 pages long. That's a wildly impractical plan. And so that would be a quixotic way of learning vocabulary. Please do not read the dictionary. Well, to learn vocabulary, you can do whatever you want with the dictionary. Otherwise, next we have Quisling. I'm a little Quisling. I will give you a quiz. No, Quisling is also an eponym, but this one is clearly negative. The backstory here is Victor Quisling during World War II was an informant working in Norway. At the time, Norway was not under German control. That's a big deal because at that time, Germany was being run by Nazis. Victor Quisling, however, leaked out certain strategic secrets that compromised Norway's autonomy, security, and of course, greater picture, the Allies' security. So, what happened? Well, he went to jail. I think he was executed. But he also got his own word, Quisling, Victor Quisling. What could it mean? Well, unsurprisingly, it means a person who is a traitor. Person who betrays someone, and of course Victor Quisling betrayed his country, so now he has the word Quisling. And the next word we have Quizzical, from Quisling to Quizzical, so similar. But notice those two Z's. In fact, another crazy Scrabble word. What does this actually mean? Well, if you're looking at this word and you're like thinking, gosh, what does that mean? I'm totally confused. And what's up with those Z's? They're kind of crazy, Chris. That's quizzical, meaning you have this kind of confused, bewildered, uncertain how to proceed expression / reaction. That is the heart of quizzical. So if you imagine a pop quiz that you haven't studied for at all, you will have definitely a quizzical reaction to that. And finally, quiescent. It's a nice way to end this video. Quiescent doesn't just mean quiet though, even though I dropped my voice. But quiescent is a period of inactivity, of dormancy. So let's say I take a little vacation and go away for a while and we don't see me anymore and there's no more Vocabulary Wednesday for a couple of months. Chris has been quiescent. He is now dormant in a period of inactivity, at least Vocabulary Wednesday-wise. But I won't be going away. At least there will still be weekly or bi-weekly Vocab Wednesday videos. And speaking of which, I will see you in 2 weeks.